Hi, my name is Tito, Sufesa Certified Master Technician, and today we're going to be installing a Dormont gas hose with a Swivel Max. The first thing we'll want to do is connect the ball valve to the existing gas manifold. You want to make sure that your ball valve can open and has nothing obstructing it. A good tool to use to make sure that you don't kink the hose when you're moving the unit about or installing it is a Swivel Max, and that would go on after the valve. And this swivel will allow the gas hose to move without kinking it. Then the next step will be connecting the actual gas hose. From the unit side, you'll want to make sure you do or do not need a regulator, and then go ahead and connect your quick disconnect. Paying attention to the gas flow, which will usually be marked somewhere along here or along the blue ring. At this point, we have an option of connecting another Swivel Max, again to ensure that we do not get any kinks within the gas hose. And then at this point, we'd want to connect the gas hose. Once we're finished with all those steps, we'll want to double check all of our connections, making sure that we retighten and check for any gas leaks with the gas leak detector.